Remy with a stick, a treasure key. Remy doesn't consider anything a stick unless it's over 6 foot long. I win.
Yeah.
This is painful. Look at this. There's little. There's Pirate IPA. That's good stuff.
This is the Coco Beach.
Padlock. Not good stuff.
Coco Beach bar.
Treasure key. As you can see, pretty decimated. Beach is beautiful. Bit of a rage out there. That's what they call a rage when it hits the Abaco Sea. Waves out there 6-8 foot. We went out in the tender out there. Supposed to meet up with a cat to get the package. Not possible. So anyway, we're here chilling on the beach. Open air beach house. All a bit decimated.
Bring your own lunch.
That's a quick look at Treasure Key. It's like this everywhere. It's just destroyed. Lucky dog out.